Hey guys, welcome back to the rail trail exploration. Here we're going to see what kind of goodies we can find, and we can also go over all the items that we found in the previous video. There was quite a few unexpected items sitting on these rail trails. You ever wonder, like myself, what's actually in a lot of these cargo trains? I know for the place I am in Ontario, a lot of them are actually full of cars at certain times, and then that one's probably some kind of ore. But yeah, there's quite a few manufacturers that ship cars in these railways, and I believe they go over the US border at some point too. But it's so cool. You guys are thinking, is he planting all this stuff? No, but it is really funny to find another golf ball. Alright, put that in the bag of goodies. And I guess we'll see how many golf balls we can find at the end of this video. What? Look, another. Unbelievable. For a place that you can't go golfing or drive any balls, why are there so many golf balls out here? I guess you'd think I'm shooting a golf ball video, but really, I had no idea that there's golf balls out here. This one's a broken one. And I'm very curious where they came from in the first place. But I guess we'll see if there's a count at the end of the video of how many golf balls are out completely in the middle of nowhere. Oh, there's another item over here to walk and get. What is this? A baseball? Looks like one of those softballs. You wouldn't expect to find baseballs out here. I think you'd have to be a pretty good shot to get all the way over those sound barriers. I should put this in the disclaimer that traveling the train tracks by yourself exploring is fairly dangerous, and I don't recommend anyone duplicate what I'm doing here. Plus to the fact that there's a lot of raw materials over here, and if you're walking around here, people can become suspicious on what you're actually doing. So, we found the next item. It's going to be a heavy one. Not too thrilled about carrying it, but excited about finding it and trying to figure out why the heck is there a crown out here and what this is. What? I don't know. But crown mobile. I mean, that's quite the score for us. Makes our bag very, very heavy. But we're doing good on the treasures. Let's see what else we can find around here. Have you ever just woke up in the morning, had a nice cold cereal with cold milk, and said to yourself, hey, today I'm gonna walk along a train track and see what kind of goodies I can find. I can imagine somebody would have done that. I have to admit, it is very soothing and relaxing walking on train tracks. Just the crunching that you're feeling from the dirt and the asphalt, it's a fantastic feeling. Feels like that ultimate adventure everybody wants. And hey, I can do this full time now, so that's even better. So we came across the next treasure. I believe believe this is a railroad spike, but not too sure, because I thought a railroad spike would be something like that. And there's thousands of those out here, all over the place, as we continue adventure along this train track. So when you hear a train coming, and there isn't really a safe place to go, you need to improvise pretty quick, because you hear that train coming. And that means all treasures are off limits right now until we hit this nice, safe hill. So we made it to the hill in time. We hear the train, but we're not sure what direction it's coming from. But you can hear it pretty far away. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a break up on this hill and see when it's planning to come. Hopefully we can figure that out, and then we can continue the adventure of searching rail tracks for treasures. Oh, look at that view. Nice place. So guys, it's been about 10 minutes or so, and we hear the train coming. So there's a lot of train tracks around here, so I don't really want to be very close to the train tracks because they're very large cargo. So we're gonna walk along this hill, see if we can spot anything worth going down for, and if not, we'll stay up on this hill. But you can definitely hear the train, and it's very soothing, but it's also heart-raising when you have no other place to go other than running. So for safety concerns, please, nobody duplicate what I'm doing. Well, it's been a while, but we found our first treasure again up here. I'm gonna take that. Oh, somebody left some in. What a shame that is. And put it into our baggie and see what else we can find. This truly is a really pretty place. Now you can just say it's train tracks and all that, and that's pretty boring. But all the potential things that you could find of people that have traveled from the US to Canada every day, about 5 times a day, with hundreds of cargo trains, you know, it could be unlimited. That's the best part about the adventure. You continue to explore till you find the next item, and then you go on to the next one. Is anybody interested in a baseball cap? Quick something? I don't know. Can't be that quick, is there? On the ground, completely covered in dirt. So I guess the train coming was a false alarm. I know there's multiple tracks around here, but I've never explored the train tracks before, so I was presuming that the train was going to come this way. But after 20 minutes being at the top of the hill, no train showed up. So that's a bonus. I think that's a rubber gasket, and I think that's a broken beer bottle. So, doing our part to pick up the trash along the way on the adventure, and we're gonna bring it at the end of the video and show you everything that we collected. Well, that's the first YouTuber newbie experience. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I found a tennis ball and was explaining to you that I'm about 5 kilometers away from any house whatsoever. Why would I find a random tennis ball out here? I don't know. I'm curious. I really don't think anybody travels back here at all. And unfortunately, there's so much people's trash that I can't pick up all by myself because I'm a one-man show. But I am trying to help the environment. One can, one bottle, or one tag at a time. And we're going to see that this is going to be a very exciting adventure. I believe as human beings, we have to take care of our world. And by that, we should all, even if it's one piece a day, pick up our trash and dispose of it the best way possible, so that when other people come and adventure here, they can have a great experience rather than a trash picking video. So I've come across this pretty cool pond slash could be some sort of a lake. Kind of wish it was spring because I did bring my goggles. Wow, a warm spring, almost summer. Then I would see what's in there. Kind of weird what I would find at this point. But we're gonna continue to walk around the railway and see what other goodies we can find. Oh, just walking around the train track. Oh, look what we found. Is that a shotgun shell? Is this another one? Right next to each other? I hope it's not a turkey hunting season, because I guess I kind of look like a turkey at some point. Pretty cool. Nobody out here at all. Just me, myself, and I filming a YouTube video. Making it a full-time career. Not sure what you are, foam, but I don't got room in my bag for you. But Mr. Pop can, I do. And it's your plastic bottle. Doesn't matter where you go, there's an endless supply of plastic bottles littered all over. Not sure on my way back what's actually happening. And, well, could have been years ago. But what is the need of throwing like 50 plastic water bottles out here? Like, are you guys just relaxing out here and throwing water bottles? Come on, guys. Pick up your trash. Hey guys, so I'm back home from the adventures. This would be half a day one and a full day of day two worth of finding items on the train tracks, and I want to show them to you. So here are all the items I found on the train tracks. See, look to be shotgun casings. We got a fork. We got a Tonka tire. Not sure why we got Tonka tires, but we got a whole bunch of baseballs and odds and ends, and even a football. We got some gloves, and we got some beer cans, and even a bottle. So, worst case scenario, this YouTube doesn't work out. Maybe I'll have to collect beer cans for a living. Hopefully not that situation, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please consider subscribing.